Are you struggling to understand conversations in your target language? This video will improve your listening skills using practice dialogues. How do you know if your language skills are improving? Our team of teachers have designed a free quiz to determine your actual learning level. So click the link in the description to get your free assessment and unlock lessons that are right for you. In this lesson, you'll listen to a dialogue with the text. Second, you'll review the key vocabulary, followed by the English translations. And finally, you'll review the dialogue with the text again to master what you learned. First, listen to the dialogue with the text on the screen.
Undskyld, min bøf er for rød.
Nå, det beklager jeg meget. Nu skal jeg bestille en ny til dig.
Tak. Sovsen er også en smule kold.
Det er jeg ked af.
Men kartoflerne er perfekte.
Det var godt. Hvad med vinen?
Den smager også godt.
Godt. Du får et glas til på husets regning.
Mange tak.
Det manglede bare.
Now you'll hear the key vocabulary, followed by the English translation.
En smule.
A little, a bit.
Bare.
Just, simply, only, merely.
Bøf.
Steak, beef steak.
At mangle.
To lack, to be short of, to be without, to be lacking, to be missing.
At smage.
To taste.
Perfekt.
Perfect.
At beklage.
To regret, to be sorry.
På husets regning.
On the house.
Finally, let's review the dialogue again. See if you can understand more this time.
Undskyld, min bøf er for rød.
Nå, det beklager jeg meget. Nu skal jeg bestille en ny til dig.
Tak. Sovsen er også en smule kold.
Det er jeg ked af.
Men kartoflerne er perfekte.
Det var godt. Hvad med vinen?
Den smager også godt.
Godt. Du får et glas til på husets regning.
Mange tak.
Det manglede bare.
This is the end of the lesson. In this lesson, you improved your listening and mastered key vocabulary for everyday life conversation. Don't forget to click the link in the description to get your free assessment and unlock lessons that are right for your learning level. Keep practicing and move on to the next lesson.